Got my pan. Sugar. Okay? Azúcar. This is our Spanish version too. I need this sugar to melt. Okay, guys. Now I come in behind with just a pinch of baking soda. Okay. Whoa! Now I come in and I do my little flattening to get it nice and round. Come up real quick. Come in with my little star. If you watch Squid Games, you know why it's a pig, okay? This is the one the money goes in. So now I got this, okay? Look at that. This Vanique glow. It's a golden glow. Can this even fit in here? We can see. Oh yeah. Okay, we got Vanique up to the halfway line. See all the glow in their home? What? Oh, damn, that's rich people stuff. Now I come in behind in my pig with some apple juice. Oh, I ain't doing too bad. I get in through the hole. I didn't expect to do this. Guys, the next ingredient is champagne. So how it's supposed to work, I do not know. Can I even get a little spoon in there? Look at the stir, guys. Look at the stir. It's working. Okay, now, we got champagne, Andre, okay? Really expensive brand, $8,000 a bottle, but hey, Squid Games, it's all about money. Look at that. Guys, you know what that's called? If you do, post it below, because I don't know. Now, you come in. Oh yeah, my little mini funnel. I got a funnel for every occasion, homeboy. No matter the size of your glass, I got you covered right here at Tipsy Bartenders. What we do. Guys, y'all notice something about this pig when I bought this? I was like, wait a minute, how do you get your money out? There is no out. You actually have to break this to get the dough out. Guys, to get it even more golden, to really show money, this like gold luster does. Watch this. That's just pure gold floating everywhere. Bang, bang. And there you have it, homeboy. Squid Games. Okay, now your boy take a little sip. Oh yeah, San Wu, you son of a bitch. Okay, I think that was your name. Okay, I ain't sure. I think that was right. I don't know. Okay, in the comments below, was I right? Yo, man, come on, man. I'm the only black dude here. How you can kill the token? Stay tipsy.